If you want to make faceless car evolution shorts videos, then this video is for you. And if you give me only 2 minutes, I guarantee you that you will be able to create these videos completely for free. First, go to the description and open this prompt doc. Go to the highway and image prompt. Select the full prompt, copy the prompt, and then open ChatGPT. Now paste the prompt there and hit enter. Now it will ask you to select one highway type, so select it. I am going for underground tunnel highway. It will give you a prompt. Select the full prompt and copy the prompt. Paste the prompt in Nano Banana and hit enter. It will give you a highway image, so download that image. Now go to the prompt doc again. Go to the Master Car Evolution and Animation prompt. Select the full prompt, copy the prompt, and then go to the same GPT. Paste the prompt there and hit enter. It will ask you to select a car, so select a car or add a car for which you want to make an evolution video. I am choosing ODA4. After adding the car, hit enter again, and then it will give you several prompts. Don't get confused. First, select the first prompt, copy it, and then go to Nano Banana and paste the prompt there. After some time, it will give another image. Download that image as well. Do the same for all the prompts. Now for animation, go to Google Flow. Click on Create with Flow, then click on New Project. Now go to the plus icon, click on it, and then click on Upload. Select the image, and then click on Landscape and make it Portrait. Do the same for the second image, and change the settings from Create Images to Ingredients to Video. Also, if you want, change these settings, make the output as you need, and also other things. Then go to GPT again, go to the end, select the animation prompt, copy it, and go to Google Flow, paste it there, and hit enter. And that's how your video will be ready. Freemium sites to make images are Leonardo, Whisk, Ideogram, Rivi, Grok, Meta, and for videos, Grok, Whisk, Meta, Google Flow, Veer, etc. Like and sub for YouTube automation videos.